Okay, another tip for first-time applicant for Schengen, you must know that on the day of your appointment, dapat alam nyo kung saan kayo pupunta, okay? Kasi this is a very common mistakes for first-time applicant. Kasi on the day of your appointment, the only place that you have to go to submit your requirements is sa visa center. So if you're applying for Germany, you have to go to the VFS Global Germany. Okay, so si VFS Global ang nag-handle ng mga application under Germany. So don't go to the German embassy because malala pa, hindi kayo papapasukin, and worst, na-miss nyo yung appointment nyo. So, ang pinaka-easiest way to know kung saan kayo pupunta on the day of your appointment, get your appointment letter. The address of your visa center is right there. So, you just really have to check and read your appointment letter.